Step 1. Act quickly. Treat a stain as soon as possible. Gently blot fresh spills with a clean cloth or paper towel to absorb as much liquid as you can. Avoid rubbing, which can push the stain deeper into the fabric. Step 2. Check the fabric care label. Before applying any cleaning product, check the garment's care label. Different fabrics require different treatment, and some materials may be damaged by heat or strong cleaners. Step 3. Identify the type of stain. Look at what caused the stain. Food, grease, coffee, ink, and other substances may require different cleaning methods. Identifying the stain helps you choose an appropriate treatment. Step 4. Rinse with cool water. For many fresh stains, gently rinse the affected area with cool water from the back of the fabric. Avoid hot water unless the care instructions specifically recommend it, because heat can make some stains harder to remove. Step 5. Apply a suitable stain remover. Apply a small amount of an appropriate laundry stain remover or detergent to the affected area. Follow the product directions and test it on an inconspicuous area first if you're unsure about color fastness. Step 6. Gently work the product in. Use your fingers or a soft, clean brush to gently work the cleaner into the stain. Avoid aggressive scrubbing, especially on delicate fabrics. Step 7. Wash and check before drying. Wash the item according to its care label. After washing, check the stained area before putting it in a dryer. If the stain remains, repeat the treatment rather than applying heat immediately. Step 8. Dry and store properly. Once the stain is gone, dry the garment according to its care instructions. Fold or hang it properly so it stays clean and ready to use.